2019. Distinguished Chief Guest of the Day, Reverend Father L. Sagairaj. Esteemed Guest of Honor, Dr. S. Anthony Praveen. Reverend Father Stanley Ignatius, Rector and Correspondent Dominic Savio, Matriculation High Secondary School. Reverend Father Joseph Berkmans, the Vice Rector. Reverend Father Francis Xavier, the Administrator. Reverend Father Stephen Joseph, Headmaster, St. Pete's Anglo-Indian High Secondary School. Reverend Fathers P.D. Thomas and Reverend Father Vincent Thurairaj, our Confessor. Reverend Father J. Sudas Periyanayagam, Liturgical Animator. Reverend Fathers, Reverend Brothers, Special Invitees, Office Bearers, and members of the Parent Teacher Association and Past People Association, Forever Savios, the teaching faculty, non-teaching staff members, parents, and my dear students. Good evening to you all. We have gathered together this evening to celebrate our 62nd annual day. Today, I stand before you with great pride to share the story of our achievements. As I look back to the previous academic year and at the numerous feats accomplished, I am obliged to say that though our achievements may be little, our intentions were noteworthy. Today, we are on a journey with 1,300 students, a memorable journey, an educational yatra which began with just 10 students in the year 1957, and this mammoth journey continues because, like Mahatma Gandhi, we acknowledge no dictator but the still small voice of God. The voice of God, guidance and protection of Mary our Mother, the spirit of our founder Saint Don Bosco, and the blessing of our patron saint, Saint Dominic Savio, have guided our steps, leading us on to greater glory. The Bible encourages saying, "Well done, my good and faithful servant. You have been faithful. I will give many more responsibilities. Let us celebrate together." It is indeed a pleasure and privilege to be blessed with the opportunity to host the 62nd annual day of this prestigious institution. 62 years of tireless striving with single-minded purpose has brought us thus far. I am externally grateful to all my predecessors for their valuable contributions to the growth of this institution. Life is an adventure of faith. Filled with the faith of our patron Saint Dominic Savio, we continue our journey, molding young minds, imparting values, knowledge, and life-oriented skills, training our students to face the challenges of life. Today, we stand before you, ever grateful to God for giving us this opportunity to serve and contribute to the growth of young children. We know where we are going and we are well on the way. We always do our best, believing that whatever we plant now, we will harvest later. There are so many things we want to know. There are so many ways we want to grow. There are so many things we want to be. There are so many milestones we want to see. So here, we are all set to push our boundaries beyond the ordinary to be that extra in extraordinary.
Ladies and gentlemen, the gracious Lord, in all His goodness, has blessed us abundantly. The academic year began on 3rd June 2019 under the leadership of Reverend Father Stanley Ignatius, our rector and correspondent. Reverend Father Joseph Berkmans, our Vice Rector, Reverend Father Francis Xavier, our Administrator, and Reverend Father Vincent Robert, who took over as our Principal.
We remember with grateful hearts
The academic year witnessed the transfer of Reverend Father Matthias, who served as Principal of Dominic Savio from 2016 to 2019, and then moved on to take charge as Principal of Don Bosco Pannur. Reverend Father Matthias will always be fondly remembered as a soft-spoken, calm, firm yet with a kind personality who lived with the boys and for the boys. He enlightened and delighted the souls with his wonderful angelic voice and music. For us, every Eucharistic celebration was a journey to heaven and back. We always remember him with lots of fond memories. Reverend Brother Berdeville moved on to pursue his studies at Don Bosco Arts and Science College, Yeligiri. Reverend Brother Brito Vikas moved over to Rinaldi Juniorate, Siga, to pursue his studies. We wish them all God's blessings in their new assignments.
We thank the outgoing staff, Mrs. Sneha, Mrs. Agatha, Miss Maria Usha, Miss Kalai Silvi, Mr. Maria Selvam, Mr. Prabhu, Mrs. Irene, Mrs. Yemima, Mrs. Annie Nazrat, Mr. Albert, Mrs. Kalpana, Mrs. Shakila Banu, and Mr. Ambrose, and we welcome Mrs. Lavanya, Mrs. Sherin Princey, Mr. Adi Narayanan, Mr. Amudan, Mrs. Merlin Jamuna, Miss Maria Shami, Mrs. Kalpana, Miss Regina, Mrs. Purkuri, Mr. David, Miss Pavitra, Mrs. Kavita, Mr. Rajesh, and Mr. Fekropoli, who joined us this year. We wish them all good luck for their fruitful mission.
God guides our every step.
We place God in the center of all our activities and we strive to seek Him in our morning assemblies, catechism, moral science, value education classes, prayer service for non-Catholics, and our monthly Eucharistic service. Teachers attend seminars and workshops which help them instill values in the minds and hearts of our students.
We have only one teacher, Jesus Christ, and we are His ambassadors.
In order to be a better facilitators, we have on our roll a well-qualified and experienced team of teachers who are always available to guide the students and give them all the supports they need to excel. The management, teaching and non-teaching staff of our school work in unison to create a warm, congenial atmosphere conducive to learning.
We never know how high we can go unless we are called to rise.
The management and staff strive hard to produce outstanding results each year. 97 students appeared for the Matriculation Board examination and 83 students appeared for higher secondary board examinations. I am very proud to let you know that 98% of our students cleared the matriculation and 100% the higher secondary exams. In the higher secondary exams, Master Sujit S. stood first with a grand total of 567 out of 600, followed by Master Akhan Y, who secured 529 out of 600, and Master Adil Sulaiman with a total of 523 out of 600. In the matriculation exams, Master Hari Charan secured the first place with a total of 487 out of 500, followed by Master Akash K, who secured 461 out of 500, and Master Jaswin Merrill scored 455 out of 500. We are proud of them. I congratulate all the teachers, students, and parents for their concerted effort to secure excellent results.
The mind is sharpened by the process of learning.
In order to reinforce learning and widen the knowledge gained through learning, we have instituted an academic committee headed by the principal to help the students excel in their studies. Weekly cycle test is conducted on Tuesdays for the primary and on Wednesday for class 6 to 12. In addition to this, midterm test and terminal exams take place under the strict vigilance of the teachers. Open Day is held to provide an opportunity for parents to meet the teachers and receive the feedback based on their son's performance in the test and examinations.
Prayerful voices touch the heart of God.
We are proud and gifted to have a full-fledged school choir consisting of students from various classes trained by Mrs. Philo Scoville. The choir offers prayerful hymns to mark the commencement of all our events and functions.
Every boy is a leader at heart.
The school pupil leader, assistant school pupil leader, sports captain, captains and vice captains of 4 houses were sworn in on 28th June at a solemn investiture ceremony, which was graced by Reverend Father Matthias, former principal, now at Don Bosco Pannur.
The heart is happiest when it beats for God's home.
The feast of St. Dominic Savio was celebrated on 6th July with great enthusiasm. The celebration began with a solemn Eucharistic service which was consecrated by Reverend Father Jesudas, our liturgical animator, Reverend Father Stanley Ignatius, our rector and correspondent, Reverend Father Vincent Robert, our principal. The occasion was marked by a cultural program which focused on the virtues and values of our patron.
Actions of great men can influence the human mind.
The contribution of great personalities must be remembered and their virtues and values instilled in the minds of young children. The birthday of Thiru Kamarajar, former Chief Minister, was celebrated in a special way. Similarly, Teachers' Day and Children's Day were celebrated with a variety of cultural programs. Competitions like singing, storytelling, drawing, elocution, poetry recitation and quiz were conducted to commemorate the occasion.
Every child is a special gift from God.
At Dominic Savio, students are given an opportunity to be part of various clubs such as Language Literary Club, National Green Crops Club, Spiritual Club, Media Club, Sports Club, Math Club, Science Club, Dance Club, Music Club, Yoga Club, Dramatics Club, Art and Craft Club, Brand Troop, Savian Movement, Junior Red Cross, Scouts and Cubs. Students showcase their talents at these events organized by their respective clubs.
Discipline is the key to success.
The Bharat Scout and Guide movement is an ever-growing phenomenon. Their motto, "Be prepared," teaches young cubs in Scouts community and social services. Under the guidance of our trained Scout and Cub masters, the boys are shaped into disciplined individuals. 30 of our Cubs were honored with the Golden Arrow Award at the function graced by Mrs. Jacqueline Martin, our District Headquarter Commissioner for Cubs. The Scouts and Cubs went on their annual camp to Don Bosco Boys' Home, Kedilam, between September 20th to September 24th.
A moment of pride.
18 Scout boys attended the national level Don Bosco Scout Meet Boskori at Nasik and participated in a number of events and activities. 16 Scout boys received the Governor Rajya Purushkar Award. 8 Scout boys participated in the state level Scout Meet Campori. They took part in various competitions and won a number of prizes.
Sport builds up a healthy mind and body.
The annual Sports Day was held on 27th July. Mrs. Malika IPS, Superintendent of Police Crime Branch, CID Chennai, inaugurated the sports meet and Mrs. Christy Sterina, Superintendent GST and Central Excise, Chennai, an international athlete, distributed the prizes. The meet began with a brisk parade by the school captains and their respective houses. The colorful mass, drill, karate display and pyramid formation were greatly appreciated. The relay and races added to the excitement. We encourage our students to participate in sports at various levels. We take great pride to inform you that many of our students have brought laurels to the school by accomplishing great feats and reaching unimagined height in the various sports.
Sports achievements.
Football. Abhinesh of Standard 11 participated in Boca League football tournament and was declared a winner. Isaac Jeremiah of Standard 12 is a part of the national level football team. Chess. Danish Roy of Standard 11 was placed 4th in the state level championship. He has also participated in the national level chess championship.
Boxing. the budding boxing champion of our school have done us proud. Kishore of Standard 9 secured the second place in the national level boxing championship. Kavin of Standard 7 participated at the national level. SM Shivashankaran secured the second place in the state level boxing championship. Karate, Atish RR of Standard 9 secured the third place in the National Open Karate Championship, and he has been selected to participate at the international level. Abhishek of Standard 6B has also been selected to participate in the international karate competition. Avinash Kumar of Standard 12 is a national level karate champ.
Cricket. Naveen of Standard 11 has selected to play the SGFI cricket tournament. Roger Joshua of Standard 12 is a part of the state level cricket team. Swimming. Sriram of Standard 9 is a bronze medalist at the national level swimming championship. We congratulate, appreciate and wish our budding sports star all the very best for their future.
Zonal meet.
It is indeed a moment of pride for me to let you know that our school hosted the zonal meet for the academic year 2019-20 from the 5th of August to 22nd of August. The competitions went on at various venues in the city. Around 30 schools making up a total of 1,500 students participated in all about 14 games. The 9-day meet concluded with the final event, which were held at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and the prizes were distributed by Mr. Soundarraj DEO.
To realize a dream, we must take the first step to imagine, invent and inspire.
Savian X 2K19, the mega science exhibition, was organized on 30th August 2019. The chief guest of the day, Dr. Sister Nirmala, Vice Principal, Stella Maris College, graced the occasion with her august presence, and our guest of honor, Dr. Jayakumar, Head of Satellite Transportation Systems, ISRO, Tiruvandrum, viewed the exhibits of our students, appreciated and encouraged their efforts.
St. Paul would say, kindle afresh the gift of God which is in you.
Children are gifted in many ways, and we provide a platform to enable them bring their talents to light. Savian Fest 2K19 was held on 10th August. Ms. Haripriya inaugurated the fest. A variety of events marked the inter-school cultural competition. Trophies and certificates were awarded to the winners. Don Bosco Matriculation Higher Secondary School emerged the overall winner.
Festivals add color, gaiety and joy to life.
The celebration of festivals creates awareness among children and gives them a feeling of oneness. Festivals like Diwali and Pongal were celebrated with enthusiasm, given due respect to our culture. The feast of Christmas is also celebrated with much goodwill and joy.
Bible says, love others as you love yourself.
Christmas is a season of sharing. The students contributed in kind to help the poor have a happy Christmas. Clothing and provisions were collected and distributed to the children's home like Mercy Home, Mother Teresa Home and Karunai Illam. The joy it gave us can be relived 1,000 times.
Be humble or greatly inspired by the lofty ideals of outstanding personalities.
It was indeed a pleasure to have with us Reverend Father K.M. Jose Provincial, Chennai Province. His visit on 7th November created a great impact on the students and staff. Reverend Father K.M. Jose addressed the students at the morning assembly and the staff at a formal meeting which was held thereafter. Reverend Father Maria Kanaga Arokyam, Regional Counselor, South Asia, paid a 2-day visit to our school. This extraordinary visitation spread goodwill among the staff and students. Reverend Father Maria Kanaga Arokyam extraordinary visitation was a mission to animate and access the growth of the institution.
All honor is due to the just and righteous.
We set aside a day to express our gratitude to Reverend Father Stanley Ignatius, a rector and correspondent, for his guidance and support. We celebrated the Community Day on 4th December at St. Bede's Auditorium. The rector was felicitated and thanked for his service to our school.
The hours that make us happy make us wise.
Students from 10 to 12 went on a 6-day trip from 28 September to 3rd October to Delhi and Simla where they had the most relaxing time, sightseeing and shopping. The students of Standard 1 to 5 were taken for a one-day trip to Hudson Resorts, and the students of Standard 6 to 9 went on a one-day trip to Pondicherry. The annual staff tour was organized in the month of May to Goa. The school provides opportunities to both our staff and students to have an outdoor experience in the form of tours and picnics, which help them to grow well in social relationships.
Our journey is made easier when we have good traveling companions.
The Parents Teacher Association of our school functions actively under the guidance of its president, Mrs. Raji Nirmal. The secretary, Mr. Rajkumar, treasurer, Mr. Stanley, and coordinator, Mrs. Joan. These extreme active PTA team members provide the support needed to organize functions and conduct events. We truly appreciate their service to our school. The Past Pupil Association Forever Savios hold their annual meeting on 15th August each year to discuss their future plan that would benefit the school. We would like to thank the office bearers of the association, Mr. Prakash, President, Mr. Daniel, Vice President, Mr. Kannan, Secretary, and Mr. Fahim, Treasurer, for their dedicated service to our school. We would also like to congratulate and introduce the newly elected office bearers of the association, Mr. K.R. Kannan, President, Mr. S. Kabilan, Vice President, Mr. Muhammad Fahim, Secretary, Mr. Benedict Leander Secura, Treasurer. My dear friends, St. John Bosco would say, without confidence and love, there can be no true education.
Yes, I stand before you ever grateful to the Creator for giving us the opportunity to serve society and to contribute to the growth of young children. May our founder, St. Don Bosco, and our patron, St. Dominic Savio, bless and guide our school forever. I am thankful to our chief guest of honor, our dear fathers, brothers, sisters, teaching and non-teaching staff, our beloved parents, PTA, Forever Savios, friends, benefactors, and you, my dear students, for making yourselves available to grace this occasion. Let the motherly protection of the Blessed Mother reign over all of you forever. Wishing you a pleasant and memorable evening with us today. Thank you.